loves, and welcome back to And Then There Was Style. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for daily content like this. In today's video, let's talk about a good red living room. There are a range of stunning red living room ideas to choose from. Whether used as an accent or a bold backdrop, this shade is a wonderful statement color for your home. This warming hue can bring life into any space, adding vibrancy and a sense of daring expressionism. But you don't have to go all out to incorporate the shade into your red living room idea. You can introduce red by way of soft furnishings, think rugs, cushions, and throws, or through furniture choices like a good red accent chair. That's a great way to pep up any color scheme. Red is an intense and powerful color, so you really have to be careful where you use it in your home. However, your living room seems to be a really safe area and safe idea. I think it would work a lot better in your living room than your bedroom. Tone-wise, traffic stopping crimson red is always a head turner. Think the bright stop sign red. But if you're looking for a softer living room color scheme, why not choose earthier hues like terracotta or rust, or go deeper and richer with burgundy and maroon. Organic, earthy shades are totally in and are an inviting and relaxing living room paint idea. Deep reddish browns offer a strong yet subdued red to welcome warmth to a living room wall. Warming by day and cozy by night, reds derived from an earthy color palette offer a grounding feel but a luxurious atmosphere. Enhance the depth of brownish red tones by pairing the wall color with accessories and other hues found in the natural world. From warm wood shades to clay terracotta tones. Make your choice of red warmer by choosing a red with undertones of orange to welcome a sense of lightness to the hue. Red can feel heavy when decorating with shades that hold a vast amount of blue undertones. A warmer red is perfect for a living room with existing warming textures and materials, such as a cozy living room with aged leather sofas and armchairs with natural wooden larger pieces of furniture. Welcome extra warmth underfoot with a textured rug to add comfort to floorboards. Create a living room feature wall of bold, captivating red on one wall and temper the look with a white or neutral shade on the remaining walls. Break from the traditional feature wall placement being behind the fireplace or the TV wall, as I call it. Instead, paint the window wall. This will draw the eye to the view beyond the window, helping to frame it with color. When decorating the whole room with red, be mindful of the size of your space. Avoid it feeling too closed in and overwhelming, which sometimes can happen when you have a deep color that you don't use quite right. A great way to ensure the color is kept light and less restrictive is to paint the window surrounds and ledges in a contrasting neutral to reflect the light. As the natural light comes in through the windows, a brighter shade of white or stone will help to bounce the light into the room. If painted in the same shade of red, it can fall really flat, preventing the room from benefiting from the injection of daylight. Incorporate red into your living room wallpaper or wall mural to really make a statement for your living room decorations. Patterns help to break up the block of color, so it offers a more subtle way of using one dominant color. Of course, the term subtle very much depends on the pattern that you choose. You can check on Amazon.com for beautiful red wallpaper ideas, and some of them are even peel and stick, which means they are removable and perfect for those people in apartments or rentals who don't want a permanent solution. Red is a good color for living rooms because it evokes a comforting feeling, creating a cocooning space ideal for a place of relaxation. Red is also a good color for decorating a living room because of the many layers of the tone, meaning you can create very different looks depending on the hue that you choose. You can use red in a living room to create the depth of color that you desire, from painting all the walls and making a huge statement to just making a small statement and painting one wall or a feature wall. Opt for a more relaxed approach to incorporating red on walls with a pattern that features red so it's less saturated and less likely to drive you crazy if you really weren't sure about that decision in the first place. Or if you really want to step lightly into the red territory, just add accents of red to an alternative colored living room with furniture pieces and soft furnishings. Alright guys, so I've asked you to comment down below your favorite room out of all of the scenes that I have curated for you, and let me know down below. Now if you are curious and interested with what mine is, how many of you know already? It's this one. Does this not just look happy and peppy and just straight out of a Target ad? I absolutely love it. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, share this video to people who would enjoy it, and I will see you in tomorrow's video. Thanks for watching, friends. Stay safe.